everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and I hope you are doing absolutely fine. So in today's video we are going to talk about my top 5 favorite perfumes and body mist which are just under rupees 500. These fragrances are top notch and the quality is really amazing, and this starts from just rupees 150. So yes, now without any further delay, if you guys want to know my favorite perfumes and mist, then please keep on watching the video. But before that, if you like my content and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Also hit the bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Now without any further delay, let's just get started with the video. So starting off with the most affordable one, it is a perfume by the brand called Ramsons, and this is how the bottle looks like. It is just for rupees 155, but the quality is no less than any high-end perfume. It is a 30 ml bottle and it comes in a variety of different variants, but I have this pink one here with me. It smells really fresh and very summery fragrance, and it is definitely strong but not so strong that it would give you a migraine. It is summer appropriate, and 2 days back I went out and I was out for a good 6 to 7 hours, and this scent lasted for that time. In fact, most of the fragrances which I'll show you are something which a lot of people will like. I know fragrances are really subjective. I'm not someone who likes very floral or fruity scents, but I like a bit of a musky and very fresh fragrances. But I think all of these fragrances are something which almost everyone will like. So yes, you can definitely give this one a try. I had to include a Zara perfume in the video. I love Zara perfumes. I think they are really affordable and very good quality perfume. The packaging is really nice. The staying power and everything is just top notch. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं मेरे को Zara के perfumes. And the perfume which I have today here with me is this one. It is called Femme. I mostly buy Zara के ये वाले size वाले perfume because they are easy to travel with as well. They also come in bigger size as well, and इसका ना pocket perfume भी आता है, ठीक है. This retails for rupees 490. Zara में ये वाले जो size के perfume आते हैं, these are 30 ml perfumes if I'm not wrong. Yes, this is a 30 ml perfume. तो basically variant to variant में 30 ml वाले का price ना differ करता है. Okay, I have one more Zara perfume with in the same size. But that is for 590 rupees and this is for 490 rupees. This is strong. This is not a daytime fragrance. This is more evening appropriate, and if you just want to walk into a room and you want कि सब कोई आपको देखे, सब कोई आपका fragrance smell कर पाए, this is that kind of a fragrance. It is strong, it is long lasting, and it just stays on. मतलब नेक्स्ट डे भी आपको अपने कपड़ों में ना इसकी स्मेल आएगी. ये इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग है और इतना ज्यादा अच्छा है. ये रियली लाइक दिस फ्रेग्रेंस. Zara में there are 2-3 fragrances which are my absolute favorite, and one of them has to be this one. So if you are someone who likes very strong and musky fragrance, you should definitely check this one out. This is really nice. The next fragrance which I have here with me is a body mist. It is not a perfume and it is from the brand Layer Water Girl, and this is how it looks like. It retails for rupees 199 for a 135 ml of bottle, and this is huge. Okay, ये आपको खत्म करने में काफी time लग जाएगा. It is in the variant Mystic Islands, and as the name suggests, it is actually very fresh and it gives me beach vibes. It is really apt. इसका एक और fragrance है vanilla, warm vanilla or warm sugar, something in that sorts. Even that is very nice. That is actually said to be a dupe for Bath and Body Works का vanilla sugar वाला जो variant है उसका. I haven't tried the Bath and Body Works, but इसका मैंने जो vanilla वाला variant है वो मैंने try किया. That is also very nice, and this is really very fresh. It is something which you would want to wear when you go to a beach vacation, या फिर अगर आप जिम जा रहे हो, so this would be really nice. It stays for a good amount of 3 to 4 hours, after which you have to reapply it because this is a body mist. Body mist generally कम time के लिए stay करता है, at least on my body I've seen this. But yes, even this is a very nice fragrance. And next body mist which I have here with me is something which a lot of YouTubers rave about, and even I just love it. Since the time I've gotten it, I can't stop using it. I'm talking about the Plum Body Loving Body Mist in the fragrance Vanilla Vibes. If you want to smell like a cupcake and a bakery, try this one. It is so good. It smells delicious. If I can just put it out there like this in a word, it just smells delicious. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है ये. It will give you bakery vibes. Trust me on this. It is a bit over our budget. It is for 525 rupees. But you will always get some discount or other in this. तो 500 के अंदर अंदर आ जाएगा, ये मिल जाएगा आपको. I also like the same range का body oil. Even that is really amazing. And a lot of other YouTubers love this fragrance. So yes, अगर अभी तक नहीं खरीदा है तो क्या कर रहे हो यार, प्लीज ये जाके खरीदो. We are just left with the last one fragrance, and it is actually a new purchase, and this is something which I have used during my college times, so it gives me a very nostalgic vibes. I'm talking about the Engage perfume spray. This is how it looks like. Again, it comes in a variety of different variants, and I have this variant. इसमें number लिखा है, it is W2. Okay, this retails for ₹225 and it is 120 ml. Again, ये भी बहुत अच्छी quantity है, and it is also not very strong, या फिर ये ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत ज्यादा light है, बहुत ज्यादा mild fragrance है. It is somewhere in between. Again, this fragrance is also very fresh, has a bit of musky notes to it as well. This is a day-to-day, daily kind of a perfume. It stays on for a long time. अभी summers में आप आराम से इसको use कर सकते हो, and it gives me a very nostalgic vibes because Engage as a brand is very old, and हम कॉलेज टाइम पे भी इसको यूज करते थे. सो येस, आई रियली लाइक दिस परफ्यूम. इंगेज में और भी बहुत सारे वेरिएंट्स आते हैं विच यू कैन ट्राई. दिस वर माई मोस्ट फेवरेट 5 body mist and perfumes which I really love using. And so yes, with this I finished this video. If you guys like this video, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.